The 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is a true American supercar, the first mid-engine Corvette ever produced. It's a beast of a machine, packing a naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8 engine with a flat-plane crank that revs to a screaming 8,500 RPM and churns out a monstrous 670 horsepower. This translates to exhilarating performance, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.8 seconds and a top speed north of 200 miles per hour. Engine: 5.5L V8 with 670 horsepower and 623 lb-ft of torque. Transmission: 8-speed dual-clutch automatic. Performance: 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds. Top speed over 200 miles per hour. Handling: mid-engine layout for superior balance and agility. Design: aggressive and aerodynamic styling. With a wide stance and prominent intakes. Interior: driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and advanced technology. Price: starting at $114,395, but can reach over $132,000 with options. The Z06 comes in 3 trim levels: 1LZ, 2LZ, and 3LZ. The base 1LZ is already well equipped, but the higher trims add features like heated and ventilated seats, a Bose sound system, a performance data recorder, and more. Car and driver: the new Z06 is a legitimate supercar slayer, offering Ferrari-like performance at a fraction of the cost. Motor trend: the 2024 Corvette Z06 is a quantum leap forward for Chevrolet, and it's one of the most exciting American cars to come along in years. Road track: the Z06 is a visceral, thrilling driving experience that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. If you're looking for a high-performance sports car that can take on the best from Europe, the 2024 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 is definitely worth considering. It's a true American legend reborn, and it's ready to take on all challengers. Do you have any specific questions about the 2024 Corvette Z06, or would you like me to compare it to other similar cars? I'm happy to help in any way I can.